Hello and welcome to my homestead. I want to show you some of the protections I'm doing from birds. You can hear them. Right now they're hiding in trees, but there are hundreds of them everywhere. And some of them are not hiding. But because of these birds, I have to protect my blueberries, my cherries, my peaches, and blackberries. These are the blueberries that are ripening right now. You can see there are quite a few of them. And unfortunately, birds really like them. This year I did not protect the big bush in the back of the garden. Mostly I just forgot about it. And unfortunately, the birds did not forget about it. So they stripped all of the blueberries before they were even ripe. Thank goodness I covered these. So I'll have at least some blueberries, I just won't have huge amounts. And I also have to protect the blackberries. These, unfortunately, I protected a little bit too late. There were a lot of berries on them already that were stripped and eaten. And I lost half of the battle already. The birds really love blackberries. So now let's go over to my orchard and I'll show you some of my cherries. This is my sour cherry, Montmorency. As you can see, I had some bird and insect netting protecting it. I had it pinned to the top of the pole so that the cherry tree would not get injured. I just uncovered it. Now the purpose was dual. One, to protect from birds. I am in a war with birds because they keep stripping all of my fruit. While this cherry is small enough, I can pick some of them. And for once I can actually enjoy them. But it was also to protect from the Japanese beetle. Last year this tree was absolutely eaten down to bare sticks. The Japanese beetles are horrible here. So I will pick the cherries, but the netting will stay on and I'll be able to protect the tree at least while it's small enough. Once it's established bigger, it's growing a little bit. Once it's bigger, it will survive on its own, but at least for a couple of years it will be protected. And if I want to have any kind of harvest, this is what I have to do.